It's a little after 6 in the morning. Got up early so I could come out here and get a beautiful shot of the pyramid with the sunrise. Hopefully this works out good. It's kind of quiet and peaceful right now out here at the Piney Woods Open. But things are going to get busy pretty soon as everybody gets ready for the last round. See if they become the 2016 Piney Woods champion. Let's go!
Let's go!
So this morning, as I was getting my stuff ready to take some pictures today, I was told because of the course they're playing today to look for the holes of 1,000 monkeys. I thought they were just pulling my leg, but apparently throughout this course there's 1,000 monkeys. So we're gonna take a look at some of these monkeys. This is hilarious. The monkeys are everywhere.
It's not like mine. I'm just throw the sidearm off the tee.
So the final event here at Piney Woods Open is not the Ring of Fire like you would expect, but it's actually called the Rain of Fire. So apparently people are going to be throwing from off the hill into the softball field into a marksman. So this should be interesting. So we got the marksman basket there. Juniors and AMs are throwing from over there. Everybody else is throwing them from up there. So we're gonna have disc, oh no, the entire hill. Not just there, but from all over the hill. It's time for the drive home from Piney Woods Open. You ready to go, Jeremy?
Oh, we're ready.
You ready to go, Bucky?
We're ready! So driving to an event is super exciting. Driving home to an event, How you hanging in there, Jeremy? Rocking and rolling. Yeah.
9:22. Oh, seatbelt. Hold on. Bucky's leading the way.
He slept through Bucky, you know?
We hit the road. What time did we hit the road?
5:30.
5:30. So 4-hour drive. I've been in and out of sleep. Jeremy's been a trooper.
Bobby was the real trooper.
Taking us home to Emporia. Bucky, you made it to Emporia. What do you think?
Yay!
I think he wants to go back to Texas.